Fresh raspberries are fantastic as is, but if you stuff them with some pistachios, roll them in chocolate and freeze them, they're even better. This is a fantastic little treat for the kiddies. And the best thing about fresh raspberries is that little cavity. Now, I'm adding a pistachio, but you can change up the nuts. Hazelnuts works a treat. You could even add marshmallows. So once you've filled up the cavity, pop it into some melted chocolate. I'm using dark chocolate, but you could use white chocolate or milk chocolate if you like. And drain off the excess. Pop it onto the tray. And I'll make a few more. Once I've made a full tray of these, they go straight into the freezer to firm up. Now, when they're completely frozen, they just look so good. You can actually see the imprint of the raspberry and better taste it. So good. A little brain freeze, but it's totally worth it. They are just so sweet because of the raspberries, crunch from the pistachios and chocolate. We all love a bit of chocolate, don't we?